What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can transform your scene into this with this really insane VHS plugin that is totally free. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to download it. And now once it is downloaded, all you can do is simply search it in your FX and preset search bar and simply apply it to your adjustment layer. I'll just do that right now. I'll just apply it to my adjustment layer, and now as you can see, there's a lot of settings, so I'll go over all of these settings with you guys. So this setting right there just makes the saturation higher or lower, basically. So if you want more colors, just tune it all the way up. And I think the VHS kind of era add a lot more colors, so it's only smart to put it all the way up, but it's up to you. And the composite noise, as the name says, it just add more noise to your liking. And to be honest, you could just put it at 80%, or I'll leave it at 70%. And the frequency is how much is gonna appear per second in this. And now for the snow, this is simply the detail of the noise and how you want it to look like. For the snow is simply if you want it to be in small parts like this, or if you want it to be in lines. And I think I prefer the small parts. It makes a more realistic vibe in my opinion, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And also, if you want this broken VHS border at the bottom, you can simply go ahead and go to the edge switching and pull this up like that, and it's gonna make this broken type of VHS effect at the bottom, and I really like it. And it looks like it was really recorded on a VHS or filmed on a CRT screen. It's really cool, and I like this plugin so much because it lets you tweak with all of the little details to make your VHS filter as realistic as possible. So for the regions, what it does simply is it makes those little lines. I don't know if you can notice, and if you put the frequency up, it will fix the screen a little bit more. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess you can see it in the screen. And the luma noise, I think it's self-explanatory. It's just noise. I'm not gonna play around with it because I don't really like this effect personally, but you can do whatever you want. And the chroma noise, I like it a lot. It adds a bit more of a realistic aspect to the overall scene. You can also play around with the sharpen and the edge waves if you're into that, but I'm not really into that edge wave type of thing. Maybe a little bit. It adds a bit more realism, but yeah. So these were the main settings that I would use for a realistic kind of VHS look into my videos. There's a lot more settings that I didn't go over because you can experiment on your own, but this was a little presentation of this really good plugin that is totally free on the internet that can really change your projects. And also, if you guys didn't know, I created 2 3D cameras plugins for After Effects, and I made a bundle for it. It's in the description. And I also made this 3D room entirely in After Effects with this plugin. And if you want to know the whole process on how I created this room inside of After Effects, just go ahead and click on this video right there.